Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Up to yesterday, we have discussed about fractional numbers and their simplifications with addition or subtraction or the multiplication, of course, with division also. Today also, we are going to discuss with the same operations for the fractional numbers in the verbal sums or the writing sums, which are needed some steps. Now all of you open page number 53. Let us see page number 53, question number 2. Here there are two people named Iqbal and Sonu. Both of them are having some cold drink, it seems, cold drink. See that Iqbal has 5/7 liter of cold drink. Sonu has 9/14 liter of cold drink. Who is having a less cold drink is the question. That means who is having the less quantity of the cold drink. Is it clear? Now for that we have to compare. That's why comparing 5/7 and 9/14. Comparing 9/7 and 9/14. Both we are going to compare now. We know how to compare both the fractions. So see that 5/7, then 9/14. Arrange arrow marks from 5 to the 14. Arrange one arrow mark. Again from 7 to 9. We have to arrange arrow mark. Now see here. 5 into 14 is 70. 5 into 14 is equal to 70. And 7 into 9. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Now 70 and 63 are newly appearing now. These two are newly appeared answers for us. In these answers, which one is smaller? Because we want less cold drink now. That's why smaller number should be identified. Now 70 is smaller or 63 is smaller? Yes, 63 is smaller. Here 63 is less than 70. Is it correct only? 63 is less than 70. So 63 is the second number, that is only less value than the other number. So second number means 9/14. First number is 5/7. So now 9/14 is less than other fraction called 5/7. 9/14 is belongs to Sonu, no? That's why. Therefore, Sonu has a less cold drink. Now between the Iqbal and Sonu, who is having a less cold drink? That is, Sonu has a less quantity of the drink called the cold drink. Is it clear, students? Just comparison. We have compared already when the two fractions are given. Now we have compared the same fractions but with a few steps required. Is it clear for you? Then we'll go for the next question. In the page number 53 only, question number 3 we will check now. Question number 3. See here. They have given sugar packets or the bags of the sugar here. We will discuss that part of it. Quantity of sugar in first bag. There are two bags we said. Quantity of sugar in the first bag. In the first bag, 3/4 kg of sugar is there, it seems. 3/4 kg of sugar. Then quantity of sugar in second bag. There is a second bag also in the given question. Quantity of sugar in the second bag is 1/8 kg sugar, it seems. 1/8 kg. Finally they asked total quantity of sugar. Finally they asked total quantity of sugar. Total means addition only, no? Or subtraction? Total means addition. Suppose here are two fingers I am showing. Here one finger I am showing you. Can you find the total number of fingers I am showing to you? Yes. 3 fingers I am showing because total means addition. Here also total quantity of sugar means we have to add both the fractions. 3/4 plus 1/8. 3/4 plus 1/8. Since the denominators are not equal, we should find out the LCM of the denominators. Yes, to make them equal, to make the equal denominators, we should find out the LCM of the denominators. So 4 and 8 LCM is 8 only. Now we have to convert every denominator to our LCM, that is 8. Is it clear, students? Then 3 by 4 into 2 by 2 I have written, because 4 2s are only 8, that is our LCM. So 2 I have to write in the numerator, denominator also. Then plus symbol. Again 1 by 8 into 1 by 1 only required here. Why? Because 8 ones are is 8. That's why 1 by 1 only required for us. It is clear now? Then 3 2s are 6, numerator part 3 2s are 6 by 4 2s are is 8. Again plus symbol. 1 ones is 1 only by 8 ones are is 8. Finally, common denominator 8 I have written. Then numerator part 6 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 I have written. Then gives you 6 plus 1, answer is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 kg. There is no chance of cancellation again. So that 7 by 8 kg sugar is there together in the two bags. Yes or no? First bag, second bag together. If we add, finally we got to 7 by 8 kg of sugar. That remains the answer for us. Is it clear, students? Now I think it is very clear and no doubt again. Then the same way another question also there for us. We will see that. Same page number 53, question number 4. There is a big bottle to fill the water. It is there. There is a big bottle to fill the water in it. So first quantity of water kept in a bottle. That means already some water was already stored in that bottle. How much water was stored in that bottle in the beginning? 1 by 2 liter of the water already poured in that and was kept aside. Afterwards, what they said, again, some water is added to that previous quantity of water in the bottle. Not only quantity of water is added. The water that is added is how much again? 1 by 4 liter. Already 1 by 2 liter water is there in the bottle. Now newly adding 1 by 4 liter of water. This is to be added. Added means plus symbol only now. So we are going to do both addition only now. That means first one should add with the second fraction. That is clear for you now. Afterwards also they said some quantity of water is removed from the bottle. First some water was there. Again some water is added. Then third time some water is removed. In the case of removal part, we have to subtract now. So that's why we will subtract in the answer part. Quantity of water is removed is equal to 3 by 8 liter. Is it clear, students? 3 by 8 liter is given in the question. That is only the part of the water that is removed from the bottle already existed there. Then quantity of water still left in the bottle. That means first some water was there. For that water some water is added. Afterwards some part of the water is removed. Then finally they are saying that some water will be there still in the water bag or water bottle. Then how much water is still left in the bottle right now is the question for us. For that what we have to do? Quantity of water still left in the bottle is equal to first water is 1 by 2 liter. Should add with 1 by 4. Why should we add these two? Because first 1 by 2 liter water is there in the bottle. Next 1 by 4 liter is added to them. That's why we should add that part. Afterwards 3 by 8 liter of water is removed from that. Removed means minus we said. That's why minus 3 by 8 is written. Is it clear, students? First of all 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 we have to write. Afterwards we should remove or subtract 3 by 8. Then your denominators are not equal, should equal. That is a procedure based on the LCM only we have done. Yes or no? So that LCM of all the denominators 2, 4, 8 is equal to 8. So this first fraction 1 by 2 into 4 by 4 is required. Why? Because 2 4s are is 8 our LCM. That's why. Then 4, whenever 4 is needed in the denominator, same 4 we have to write in the numerator to not to get any change in the fraction. So the same way for the second one with plus symbol, 1 by 4 is written into 2 by 2 is written. Do you know why should I select 2 by 2? Yes, because 4 2s is our LCM 8. That's why 2 by 2. Whenever 2 is required in the denominator, same 2 we have to write in the numerator also. Afterwards, minus symbol, 3 by 8 into 1 by 1, because 8 ones are is 8. That is clear for you. Next, what happens? 1 4s are is 4 by 2 4s are is 8. Is it clear? Then plus symbol, 1 2s are is 2 by 4 2s are is 8. Minus 3 1s 3 by 8 ones are is 8. Now all denominators are 8. We will take a common denominator, that is 8 only. Then what are the numerators we have to write now? 4 plus symbol, 2 minus symbol, 3. Is it clear for you? 4 plus symbol, 2 minus symbol and 3. Now you say 4 plus 2. What is the answer? 4 and 2 addition how much? 4 and 2 addition. Total how many fingers I am showing? 4 and 2 addition is 6. So 6 I have written. Last minus 3 is there. That minus 3 I have written as it is. Same minus 3 I have written. 6 we have got by adding 4 and 2. By that 8 I have written denominator as it is. Now you say 6 minus 3 answer. 6 minus 3 answer is, that means from 6 we have to subtract 3. If we subtract 3 from 6, again our answer will be 3 only. Am I correct? That's why 3 I have written here by denominator 8 as it is. So 3 by 8 liter of water still left in the bottle. That is only the final answer for us. Is it easy for you, children? Are you able to follow it? Yes. These are the sums which we have to follow. As the previous questions done only this also, but third fraction is there for us. There are only 2 fractions in the previous question. First one is for the comparison for us. I hope all the things are clear for you in today's teaching. With the other part of teachings we will meet in the tomorrow and practice these sums without missing. Okay then, thank you.